having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to check your website traffic in Hostinger. So to start with, you're going to open up your Hostinger account. Then in the left side panel, we're going to click on to websites. From there, we want to click on the dashboard of the website we want to check the traffic for. So I'm going to click on that one. And in the left-hand panel, I'm going to scroll down to where it says Analytics. From here, Hostinger gives you analytics for your website. You can filter them by the last hour, 6 hours, 24 hours, and 7 days. You can see which countries are visiting your website, their IP addresses, the different requests, and you can switch between different domains. Then you can also scroll down and see total requests on each day and the unique IP addresses in different graphs. So that's it. That's how to see your website analytics inside Hostinger. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.